Groceries are too expensive to waste on meals that leave you hungry an hour later. The real secret is not buying more food, it is making cheap ingredients work harder in one pan. Today, I'm showing you budget-friendly meals that feel warm, filling, and new, without complicated steps, expensive meat, or a sink full of dishes. And number 9 may surprise you, because it turns one pantry item into dinner. Now, are you ready? 1. Savory oatmeal, egg, and spinach skillet. This first meal may sound unusual, but stay with me. Oatmeal does not have to be sweet, and it does not have to stay at breakfast. When you cook oats with broth, vegetables, and egg, they become soft, creamy, and filling, almost like a poor man's risotto made in one pan. Start with half a cup of old-fashioned oats in a small skillet. Add 1 cup of low-sodium chicken broth, vegetable broth, or plain water if that is what you have. Stir over medium heat until the oats begin to thicken. This usually takes only a few minutes, which matters when standing too long makes cooking feel harder. Now add half a cup of frozen spinach, frozen mixed vegetables, or chopped broccoli. Frozen vegetables are helpful for seniors on a fixed income because they do not spoil quickly. They are already chopped, and you can use only what you need. Stir them into the oats until they soften. Now crack 1 egg directly into the pan. Stir slowly so the egg disappears into the oatmeal and makes it richer. If you prefer seeing the egg, make a little space in the middle. Crack it there, cover the pan, and let it gently set. Add black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a small sprinkle of cheese if you have it. What you now have is warm, soft, and surprisingly satisfying. The oats bring fiber, which supports digestion and helps you feel full. The egg gives complete protein, which supports muscle strength. The vegetables add color, minerals, and gentle nutrition without making the meal expensive. For seniors, this meal is especially useful because it is easy to chew, easy to swallow, and easy to adjust. If appetite is low, the creamy texture makes it less tiring to eat. If you need more protein, add cottage cheese or leftover chicken. If you need more flavor, add a spoonful of salsa. This is not fancy food, it is smart food. It takes one cheap ingredient most people ignore at dinner and turns it into a real meal. 2. Creamy corn, egg, and cracker pan. This one feels like something from an older kitchen, the kind of meal made when people knew how to stretch a pantry. It is soft, warm, slightly sweet, and comforting, almost like creamed corn and spoon bread came together in one skillet. Start with 1 cup of canned corn, drained, or frozen corn, straight from the freezer. Add it to a skillet with 1/4 cup of milk. Let it warm gently over low to medium heat. Do not rush it. This meal works best when it stays soft and creamy. Now take 6 to 8 plain crackers and crush them into the pan. Saltines work, butter crackers work, even plain whole grain crackers can work. The crackers soften in the milk and help thicken the corn, making it feel more like a spoonable casserole without needing an oven. Beat 1 egg in a cup, then slowly stir it into the warm corn mixture. Keep the heat low so the egg blends in gently instead of turning rubbery. Add black pepper, onion powder, a little paprika, and a small handful of shredded cheese if you have it. If cheese is not in the budget, skip it. The meal still works. Nutritionally, this meal gives energy from the corn and crackers, protein from the egg and milk, and enough softness to make it easy to eat. It is not trying to be perfect, it is trying to be realistic. And realistic meals are the ones seniors actually make on tired days. This pan can also become stronger with small additions. Add a spoonful of diced ham, add leftover chicken, add peas, add a little cottage cheese at the end. You do not need much. The goal is not to overload the pan. The goal is to make small ingredients feel like dinner, and that is what fixed-income cooking should do. It should help you look at ordinary food and see possibility. Corn, crackers, milk, and 1 egg may not look exciting on the counter, but in a pan, they become warm comfort. 3. Peanut butter chicken noodle skillet. This meal may be the one that makes people pause, but it works beautifully. Peanut butter is not only for sandwiches. In a warm pan, it melts into a creamy, savory sauce that makes cheap noodles taste richer, fuller, and more satisfying. Start with 1 packet of plain ramen noodles, a small handful of spaghetti broken in half, or any small pasta you already have. Cook the noodles in a skillet with just enough water to soften them. If you are using ramen, use only half the seasoning packet or skip it completely if sodium is a concern. When the noodles are almost done, leave a few tablespoons of cooking water in the pan. Now stir in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. It will loosen, melt, and coat the noodles. Add garlic powder, a splash of vinegar or lemon juice, and a tiny touch of low-sodium soy sauce if you use it. If not, black pepper and onion powder are enough. Now add half a cup of cooked chicken, canned chicken, or 1 scrambled egg. Add shredded cabbage, frozen peas, or grated carrots if you have them. Stir until everything is warm and coated in the sauce. This meal is useful because it makes a small amount of food feel more filling. Peanut butter adds healthy fats, calories, and a little protein. Chicken or egg adds stronger protein for muscle support. Noodles give energy, and vegetables add fiber and color. For seniors who struggle with appetite, this can be a smart meal because it is soft, creamy, and not too large. For seniors watching the budget, it is even smarter because 1 spoonful of peanut butter can make the whole pan feel richer. 4. Creamy lentil and carrot egg pan. This one is for the days when meat feels too expensive, but you still want dinner to feel sturdy. Lentils are one of the quiet heroes of fixed-income cooking because they are cheap, filling, and rich in plant protein. Cooked with carrot and egg, they become soft, warm, and almost creamy. Start with half a cup of canned lentils, drained and rinsed. Add them to a skillet with half a cup of grated carrot and 1/4 cup of water or low-sodium broth. Let everything simmer gently until the carrot softens and the lentils start to break down. Now add garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and a small pinch of paprika. Crack 1 egg into the pan and stir slowly, letting the egg thicken the lentils. For extra creaminess, add plain yogurt, cottage cheese, or cream cheese after turning off the heat. What you get is not soup and not stew. It is soft, spoonable comfort without meat. The lentils bring fiber and plant protein. The egg adds complete protein. The carrot brings sweetness, color, and vitamin A. For seniors, this supports digestion, steady energy, and easier chewing. 1 can of lentils can make more than 1 serving, and 1 carrot can stretch the whole pan. That matters when every grocery dollar has a job. It does not taste like cheap food. It tastes warm, seasoned, and cared for. 5. Apple, onion, and ground pork. Breakfast for dinner. Skillet this meal uses a little meat with something sweet and savory. It feels like a farmhouse breakfast, but it works beautifully as dinner. Because the apple stretches the meat, you do not need much. Start with 1 small apple, diced into small pieces. Add it to a skillet with half a small onion, finely chopped, and 1 teaspoon of oil or butter. Cook slowly until the apple begins to soften and the onion smells sweet. This builds flavor before the meat touches the pan. Now add about 4 ounces of ground pork, turkey, or chicken. Break it into small crumbles as it cooks. Season with black pepper, sage if you have it, garlic powder, and a tiny sprinkle of salt if needed. If the pan looks dry, add a splash of water, cover, and let everything become tender. This meal gives you protein from the meat, fiber and natural sweetness from the apple, and flavor from the onion. The apple makes the skillet feel fuller without needing more meat. For seniors, that helps because meat can be expensive, but protein still supports strength, balance, and independence. You can eat this over toast, a small baked potato, or a scoop of leftover rice. The texture is soft, and the sweetness makes it comforting without becoming dessert. A small amount of ground meat feels special. A little savory, a little sweet, a little soft, and very practical. 6. Creamy bean and biscuit crumble skillet. This is like a shortcut pot pie without the oven. It is warm, creamy, filling, made from ingredients many people already have. Start with half a can of white beans, pinto beans, or Great Northern beans. Rinse them well and add them to a skillet with half a cup of frozen mixed vegetables. Add 1/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of water or broth. Let it warm gently until the vegetables soften. Now mash some of the beans with the back of a spoon. Do not mash all of them, just enough to thicken the pan without canned soup. Add black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and dried thyme, if you have it. Take one small biscuit, leftover roll, or one slice of bread, and crumble it over the top. Cover the pan for a few minutes so the bread softens, then uncover and let everything get thick. It gives a casserole feeling without turning on the oven. The beans bring fiber and plant protein. The vegetables add color and vitamins. The milk adds softness. The bread or biscuit makes the meal feel complete and comforting. This is good for seniors who want something cozy without heavy cooking. It is easy to chew, portion, and change. Add chicken if you have it. Add peas if that is all you have. Add a spoon of cheese if you want more richness. This feels like leftovers, but in the best way. It proves that one pan can turn scraps into supper. 7. Soft sweet potato, egg, and greens. Hash this is simple, but it does not taste ordinary. Sweet potato brings natural sweetness, egg brings protein, and greens bring freshness. Together, they make one pan feel colorful, soft, and filling. Start with one small sweet potato, diced very small. Add the sweet potato to a skillet with 1 teaspoon of oil and a splash of water. Cover it and cook until soft. Now add a handful of spinach, kale, or frozen greens. Stir until wilted. Make a small space in the pan and crack in 1 or 2 eggs. Cover again until the eggs are set the way you like them. This gives steady energy, protein, fiber, and comfort. It is cheap, gentle, and bright enough to make dinner feel less dull. A small tip here: cook the sweet potato until it can be pressed with a fork before adding the eggs. That way, the final pan stays tender instead of chewy. If you have leftover beans, add 2 spoonfuls. If you have a little cheese, sprinkle it on top after the heat is off. This is not the usual fried hash with hard edges and greasy pieces. This is a softer version, built for comfort, budget, and real senior kitchens where dinner has to be simple enough to repeat. 8. Creamy grits, egg, and greens. Pan this meal feels like southern comfort, but it is also one of the smartest cheap dinners you can make in one pan. Grits are inexpensive, soft, filling, and easy to keep in the pantry. They do not ask much from you, but they give you a warm base that can carry protein, vegetables, and flavor without costing much. Start with 1/4 cup of quick grits in a skillet or small pan. Add 1 cup of water or low-sodium broth and stir gently over medium-low heat. Keep stirring as the grits thicken, because grits like attention for a few minutes. Once they become creamy, lower the heat. Now add 1/2 cup of chopped frozen spinach, collard greens, or mixed greens. If you only have canned greens, drain them well and use a small amount. Stir them in until they warm through and soften into the grits. Add black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a tiny pinch of salt if needed. Now crack 1 egg into the pan and stir it slowly through the grits. The egg makes the whole meal richer and adds protein. If you prefer, you can make a small well in the middle, crack the egg there, cover the pan, and let it gently set on top. Add 1 tablespoon of shredded cheese, cottage cheese, or a little leftover chicken if you have it. What you now have is soft, creamy, warm, and very easy to eat. The grits give energy. The egg gives complete protein. The greens add minerals and fiber. For seniors, this is useful because the texture is gentle and the meal does not feel heavy. It is especially helpful on days when chewing feels tiring or appetite is lower than usual. And the best part is the cost. A bag of grits can make many meals. 1 egg can change the whole pan. A handful of frozen greens adds nutrition without waste. This is what fixed-income cooking should feel like. Not empty, not boring, but smart and steady. 9. Instant mashed potato flakes supper pan. This is the surprise meal, because most people look at instant mashed potato flakes and think they are just a side dish. But in one pan, they can become a full, soft supper that is cheap, filling, and surprisingly comforting. Start with 1 cup of water and 1/2 cup of milk in a skillet. Warm it gently. Add black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little butter or oil if you have it. Now stir in about half a cup of instant mashed potato flakes. The mixture will thicken quickly, so stir slowly and watch it turn creamy. Now comes the part that makes it dinner. Add half a cup of frozen peas, mixed vegetables, or canned carrots that have been drained. Stir until the vegetables are warm. Then add 1 egg and stir it gently into the potatoes. The egg disappears into the mixture and adds protein while making the potatoes richer. If you have a spoonful of cottage cheese, shredded cheese, canned chicken, tuna, or leftover ham, stir it in at the end. But even with just egg and vegetables, this becomes more than a plain side dish. It becomes a soft, spoonable one-pan meal. For seniors, this meal is valuable because it is easy to swallow, easy to chew, and easy to make when energy is low. Potato flakes are shelf-stable, affordable, and fast. That matters when you cannot run to the store or when fresh potatoes have gone soft before you use them. The egg adds complete protein for muscle support. The vegetables bring color and fiber. The milk adds creaminess and a little extra nutrition. This meal also helps when appetite is not strong. A large plate of food can feel overwhelming, but a warm bowl of creamy potatoes feels manageable. It is gentle. It is familiar. It does not demand much from you. And that is why number 9 belongs here. It turns one forgotten pantry item into dinner. Not a side dish, not emergency food. Dinner 10. Stale bread, egg, and vegetable skillet. Bake this last meal is for anyone who has ever looked at a few slices of old bread and thought they were useless. Do not throw them away. Stale bread can become a soft, savory skillet meal that feels like a cross between dressing, breakfast casserole, and comfort food. Start by tearing 2 slices of stale bread into small pieces. Soft sandwich bread, wheat bread, leftover rolls, or even a hamburger bun can work. Put the pieces into a skillet with 1 teaspoon of butter or oil and let them warm for a minute. You are not trying to make them crispy, you are just waking them up. Now, add half a cup of milk and 1 beaten egg. Stir gently so the bread absorbs the liquid. Add half a cup of frozen mixed vegetables, spinach, peas, or diced canned vegetables. Season with black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little dried parsley or thyme if you have it. Cover the pan and keep the heat low. Let everything steam together until the egg is cooked and the bread becomes soft and set. If you have a little cheese, sprinkle it on top. If you have leftover chicken, turkey, beans, or ham, add a small amount before covering the pan. This meal is powerful because it rescues food that might have been wasted. The bread gives energy. The egg gives protein. The milk adds softness. The vegetables add fiber and nutrients. For seniors on a fixed income, reducing waste is not just smart, it is protection. Every slice of bread, every egg, every handful of vegetables has value. And this meal is gentle. No hard crusts, no dry chewing, no complicated steps. Just one pan turning leftovers into something warm enough to feel cared for. The bottom line is simple. Cheap meals do not have to be the same tired meals every week. You can use oats, grits, potato flakes, stale bread, lentils, eggs, vegetables, and small bits of protein to make meals that feel warm, filling, and new. Start with one pan. Start with what you already have. Because eating well on a fixed income is not about buying more. It is about making simple food work harder for your strength, your comfort, and your independence. Now, drop a comment with your favorite meal and subscribe for more simple recipes that make eating easier after 60.